Screaming Vocal School, RMS Vocal Institute.
Hello everyone, this is Rocky from RMS Vocal Institute. 9 out of 10 people ask this on their very first lesson. How long does it take to learn this? And the answer is, it's totally up to you. There is no guaranteed time frame since everyone is an individual with different skills and different pace of learning. Everything takes time and practice, and we have a scientific proof why it takes time to learn a technique, and that is called muscle memory. When we start to learn something, we need to practice it until it becomes a habit, just like on your very first day at the gym. After the first day, you feel a bit sore and stiff because your muscles haven't got used to it yet. But over time, you will build up muscles, and the muscle will remember the movement, and it will become a habit. So when I say habit, I mean doing the technique, doing something without the need of thinking and concentrate on it, and it will become a natural muscle reflex. But what's even more interesting, that these muscles are connected to the brain, which means over time you're going to be able to move these muscles with only thinking of the technique. Here is an example that's easy to understand, anybody who's done sport before can relate to. So let's say you do want to sport professionally, possibly become an Olympic athlete. What do? You go to the best coach you can possibly find and train your ass off years and years. And that's exactly how you should think about singing as well. There are muscles in your body, in your throat, that you have no idea they exist. You not only have to learn about these parts, but you have to be able to move them and fully control them consciously. And here I would like to show you a short clip of Sorin's throat. We have a physical proof how this should work. In this clip, he has been asked to move certain parts of his glottis without making a sound. So in this clip, Sorin did not push any air through his glottal parts and did not make any sound at all. He wasn't singing, he was just thinking of the certain technique. He didn't make any sound, and he could engage these muscles perfectly with only thinking of it. So, sum it up and answering your questions, how long does it take to learn this? As long as you are able to engage and move correctly your muscles with only thinking of the technique. So thank you very much for watching. For any questions, please post below the video or go to rmsvocalinstitute.com and please subscribe. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.